Porsche is celebrating the 60th anniversary of the iconic 911 with the release of the new Porsche 911 ST, a special edition limited to 1,963 examples, reflecting the year the original 911 was introduced. This model is designed for maximum driving enjoyment, combining the strengths of the 911 GT3 with touring package and the 911 GT3 RS, resulting in a unique blend of agility and driving dynamics. It features a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six engine, delivering 517 horsepower, paired with a short-ratio manual transmission. The 911 ST is a testament to Porsche's commitment to lightweight design and purist driving experience. Weighing just 1,380 kilograms, it is the lightest model of the 992 generation. The vehicle's design incorporates a high level of GT and motorsport expertise, focusing on nimble and agile handling for driving on public roads rather than track use. The reduced inertia of the rotating masses ensures an immediate response to the driver's inputs, enhancing the driving experience. Drawing inspiration from the original 911S racing version from 1969, the new 911 ST embodies the spirit of performance-focused design. It combines elements of the 911 GT3 RS with the body of the 911 GT3 and features exclusive components, offering a distinctive driving experience within the GT portfolio of the 911 range. The design pays homage to the motorsport triumphs of the original 911S in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Consistent lightweight construction is a key feature of the 911 ST components, such as the front bonnet, roof, front wings, doors, roll cage, rear anti-roll bar, and shear panel are made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. The vehicle also comes with standard magnesium wheels, a PCCB system, a lithium-ion starter battery, and lightweight glass. These features, along with reduced insulation and the deletion of rear-wheel steering, contribute to the vehicle's agile and direct handling. Porsche engineers have developed a new lightweight clutch exclusively for the 911 ST. This, in conjunction with a single-mass flywheel, reduces the weight of the rotating mass by 10.5 kilograms, improving the responsiveness of the engine. The high-revving engine, coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission with shorter gear ratios than the 911 GT3, propels the 911 ST to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and reaches a limited top speed of 186 miles per hour. The aerodynamic features of the 911 ST are optimized for road use. It is equipped with a gurney flap on the retractable rear spoiler and features modifications on the front end and underbody for optimal aerodynamic balance. The vehicle rides on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear lightweight center-locking magnesium wheels, fitted with ultra-high-performance tires, ensuring a high level of mechanical grip. The interior of the 911 ST features CFRP full bucket seats as standard, with the option of 4-way adjustable Sports Seat Plus at no extra charge. The instrument cluster and clock of the Sport Chrono package are finished in a classic green Porsche color scheme, adding a touch of heritage to the modern design. An optional exclusive heritage design package is available for the 911 ST, offering a new exterior color, Shore Blue Metallic, and the wheel rim color Ceramica, exclusively for this variant. The package includes two-tone semi-aniline leather trim in black classic cognac, a roof lining in perforated Dynamica, and other elements from the Porsche exclusive manufacture. The Porsche logo and the 911 ST model designation on the rear of the car are finished in gold. As a special extra, Porsche offers the Chronograph 911 ST watch, limited to 1,963 examples, exclusively to customers of the 911 ST. The watch features a titanium case and is designed based on the lightweight design principle of the 911 Special Edition. It is powered by the Porsche design work, with COSC certification and flyback function, operated with a rotor in the design of the magnesium wheel of the 911 ST. The 911 ST is not just a car, it is a celebration of Porsche's heritage and a testament to the brand's commitment to driving enjoyment. With its unique combination of features, lightweight design, and exclusive components, the 911 ST offers a driving experience that is both purist and exhilarating, embodying the spirit of the original 911S and showcasing the best of Porsche's GT and motorsport expertise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.